Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change text language on Valorant. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your Valorant application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After signing in, go ahead and click on the human icon located at the top right hand corner. In the expanded menu, click on Settings. Now from the Settings menu, click on Valorant and right where it says Game Text Language, click on the drop down and select the language of your preference. Soon after you select the language of your preference, you will be able to change your text language for a Valorant game. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.